Hey guys, let's learn the names of transportation. Okay, so repeat after me. Right? Okay, come on, let's start. Plane, 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 plane. Do you like plane? Yeah? Okay. How many toys or how many planes do you have at home? Plane. This is seaplane, seaplane, seaplane. And this is hot air balloon, hot air balloon, hot air balloon. And this is car, car, car. Do you love car? Car. And this is the ice cream truck, ice cream truck. This is bicycle or bike, bike or bicycle. This is dump truck, dump truck or dump truck, dump truck. This is police car, police car. It is black and white, right? Police car. And this is camper van, camper van, camper van. Do you have a camper van at home? Do you have it? Camper van? This is huge. This is big. Isn't it big? Yeah, it's big. What is this? It is fire engine. Fire engine. Fire engine. This is ambulance. Ambulance. When people get sick, this car takes them to the hospital. Ambulance. This is van. 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 What is he doing? Is he a rider? Yes. This is a skateboarder or skateboard rider, but this is a skateboarder. Skateboarder. This man is riding a horse, so he is a horse rider. He is a horse rider. Okay, so you can say here is horse and the rider, so we can say he is a horse rider. Do you want to be a horse rider? This is kayak, kayak. And this is fishing boat, fishing boat. Do you like to go fishing? If yes, please write in comment below and tell me. This is rowboat, rowboat, rowboat. And this one is speedboat, speedboat, speedboat. This one is yellow, beautiful. What is it? Do you have at home? This is biplane, biplane. Yeah, this is beautiful, biplane. Oh my God, this is helicopter, but this one is different. Why it is different? Because this is rescue helicopter, rescue helicopter, rescue helicopter. And this is glitter, glitter. This is glitter. This is a kind of truck, right? The color is white and green. Yeah, white and green. It has one, two. Yeah, it has rubbish bin. Yeah, it has 2 rubbish bin. So this is garbage truck. Okay, this is garbage truck. And this is so beautiful. This is motorcycle, motorcycle. This is train, train. Train. This is a car or race car. It's very fast, speedy, and beautiful. This is a tractor. This is a tractor. It has white and black color and red color, white, black and red. Tires are white and black, and the tractor itself is red. This is a truck. Truck. This is dangerous, right? What is this? This is a digger. And this one is pink. What a beautiful color it has, pink. So what is this? It's a cement mixer. Cement mixer. And she is a runner. Are you a good runner? I think yes, you're a good runner. And this is a scooter. So tell me, do you have scooter at home? Do you have one? Okay, very good. And this is a rescue boat. Do you know what is the job of a rescue boat? If you know it, write in comment below and let me know, okay? Rescue boat. And this is sailboat. Right? Sailboat. And this one is beautiful, big. So this is ferry. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends.